Alright, I am here. I wish I could do like a screen transition to the displays, but I don't like doing that in case I'm like trying to just do a local recording, so I don't know. I might add that, because I feel like it's too sudden when I'm doing these dev streams to just immediately go from the AFK to like one of the displays. It needs to transition pretty badly. Anyways, how's everyone doing on this fine day? So basically, what I have right now, oh yeah, I moved the location. Okay, so these are the options I have currently. So, I haven't worked on it in a couple days because I meant to stream it yesterday, but I never got around to it. I was kind of distracted. But, basically, I'm just adding simple effects right now since that's all I know how to do. So, yeah, for now it's just these three, but I have a lot more I can add today. So yeah, if I do add rupees, it will, I guess I should show the code first. So I'll kind of explain how the code works first. So this part just connects to Dolphin. I can't honestly explain all of it. I'm like brand new to all of this, but all that matters is that this stuff basically tells it to connect to Dolphin and tells it like what game it's supposed to be for. Then these are the unique memory addresses that you are modifying later on in the code. So like when an effect happens, such as changing the rupees, it modifies the value assigned to this memory address. And this is the current list of effects. And then this is what actually happens during the effect. So, for example, with Kill Link, I write a value to that health address. And I just basically set health to 0. And for rupees, I just add 10 rupees. Actually, does that add 10 or does it just set it to 10? I need to test that. And then there's it's a funny story with change clothing. It causes a crash because I forgot that modifying the address, if you modify the clothing address at runtime, it just immediately crashes. So I would need Lunar's help to figure out a function call to replace this with, instead of just updating the address value, because that is bad. We don't want a crash effect. That's a bit too chaotic. Also, I forgot to open one thing. Can you, like, snap properly? Thank you. Yeah, Dolphin Memory Engine is going to help a lot too. I have, like, so much stuff open just for doing this relatively simple thing. I guess I can just dock it here. Because, yeah, I have a lot of good addresses that aren't in this sheet, that are only in the DME watch list. Okay, so I'll just demonstrate the effects right now. So yeah, add rupees should add 10 rupees. Though I don't know if it does it after it adds the initial 10. We'll see. But if I run that, we see I gain 10 rupees, and SDK added rupees. I could change the name, so like This is awesome. If I can spell my own name. And now if I do it again... Okay, yeah, it just sets it to 10. I need to fix that. But, yeah, so we see up there, you know, it updates the name properly. So, there's add rubies. And let me fix the code real quick. Because I think I know how to do that. I've been using the Mega Man example for understanding some things. There's a function for reading. Yeah, it's like just read 8. So in this case, it would be read 16. My hope is that that'll take the current rupee count and just add 10 to it. I don't know if it'll work. So unfortunately, I do have to... okay, no, it doesn't like that. Value... Wait, what? There's no argument given that corresponds to required formal parameter of value for read 16. Oh, yeah, I need to do an out. Again, I'm like brand new to all of this, so it is a struggle figuring things out. Where's it use area? I mean, technically, do I even need to use the value? Wait. Okay, so it does that before the try effect. I guess I could just save it to a variable. And what variable is the rupee count? Wait, which one is it? Okay, 2 bytes. I don't know what variable that is. I guess I'll just try byte. Wait, no. I need to use the out. I look like a professional coder right now, not knowing what I'm doing. I mean, I don't really need to check a boolean. Like, I'm not... It's... What I'm doing is slightly differently. Or slightly different from what Mega Man did. What's the second parameter here? I don't know that. Yeah, like, why are there 2 parameters? I'm wondering if the second one... I mean, the second one is optional, but I'm wondering if that could be, like, the starting value. This should actually work, I think. Oh wait, yeah, I do have to specify the type. Okay, let's just see if that compiles. Not convert out byte to... Okay, so to U short. I can't type today. And what problem did I have with the comma? Like, am I missing a comma? Takes 3 arguments. What the hell? Oh, wait, no, I put it in the wrong spot. Yeah, I'm bad. I want this to be out here. Would that work? I'm just gonna try it and see. Into U short. Like I said, I'm brand new at all of this, so I'm having to figure it all out. Yeah, so it should be able to read the variable, the out variable, but I guess it has to be an int. Oh, wait, no. Can I convert an int to a U short? I've never used U short, so I don't know how any of this works. I'm brand new to, like, console modding. Console game modding. So it's still gonna error with something, but I want to see if it solves that problem. No, it doesn't like that. What's the error at 101? Why does it still not like that? I don't understand why it's erroring at 101. Also, I don't think I need that. I could try removing it and see what happens, but I'll do that later. Yeah, like that should work. Oh wait, no, it has to return. Guess return true. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, so that's all it is, and that's line 106, so it does need something here. Will that be fine? Hey, no errors. Doesn't mean it'll work, though. But in theory, theoretically, this should add 1, or wait, did I change it to 10? Yeah, I did plus equals 10, okay. So this should theoretically add 10 each time. There's 10. Alright, there we go. So that is working. Nice. Okay, and yeah, we already have kill link working, so everyone's favorite works. F. And here's the best one. Nice crash. I do hope I can fix the clothing crash, but I would definitely need Lunar's help on that, because I just don't know what's safe to change there to make it work. Alright, so since I showed everything off, I can kind of show off the process of adding a new effect now. Okay, so it's actually pretty simple. So which one do I want? Actually gonna delete effects here. Well, no, I'll just leave them as marked as done. So what would be an interesting one? Okay, so I could do like hide or freeze all actors. So let's do hide. So the way this will work, wish I had more vertical space here. Well, I don't need this right now. Whatever. I'm too lazy to change it. So the way this will work, I forget where it is. I just dealt with this the other day. Why am I already forgetting where things are? Wait, no, I think it's map. Yeah, here we go. Hide all actors and freeze all actors. Let's do freeze first, just because that'd be easier since, actually, wait. Yeah, that's a bite too. Okay, no, it's fine. So, yeah, we're doing hide all actors. So, the way this will work, copy that address, paste it up here, hide all actors, and it has to be hex. So, right there, I'm just storing the address that we will modify to hide all actors. So the way this address the way this address works, let me go out to Gorge here. Alright, so we see some enemies around here. But what if we don't want to see them? There. Now we have invisible enemies. And they actually can't be interacted with, unfortunately. I kind of wish they could be while invisible. That'd make it more interesting, but I don't know how to change that. But still, hiding the enemies is interesting. And it also does more than just that. If we go over here to the golden bug, you'll notice the bug is not here. But you could still actually get it if you know where it is. You have to look at the A prompts. Here we go. And it actually won't trigger the get item since it's hidden. You have to actually unhide it to... oh, there's an enemy. You have to actually unhide them to get the get item. Let's do that. There we go. We got our bug. So that's what I want to do with this thingy. So... Alright, so... code that. Let's add the effects. I also wish it would hide Link too, and that'd be interesting. So this is going to be a timed effect. So let me look at how Mega Man does those. So that's a repeat action. I don't want that. Start timed. So you pass it the request, and then you end it with time span from seconds. Okay. This connector start timed. And so I tell it to this is going to be a write 16. And we just want to set it to 1. I'm just gonna copy this. Um, so yeah, it returns when you pass the time span. And let's try 30. Or no, for testing, let's try 15. Why does it not... Oh, whoops, that needs to be after... Oh, and also I need to return here. That's not right. Oh, whoops, I closed it up there. Why is this so complicated? I don't know the syntax. I'm like lost in syntax right now. Oh, wait. I don't need that. I'm so confused. What the hell? Why? Okay, so it is before the return. And yeah, I need the case to return. Okay. Something like that might work. I guess let's try it. Nope. What the hell are you trying to convert? Oh, whoops. Yeah, so we can already see it right there. So it is added. Whoops. Need to connect. Okay, so they are hidden. And we can see it did update the value. Question is, does it reset? Does it reset to 0? Or no, it's not going to do anything. Yeah, because I don't have it coded to do anything yet. But it did end. So, after about 15 seconds. Yeah, so it is working. That's good. I wonder if I even need to do any of this. Um, because what if I just do the regular try effect? So I have that. Is that gonna compile? I figured I forgot something. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Why is this so bad? I hate lambda expressions. Hey AX, how you doing? What kind of ideas? You know I'm all interested in those ideas. Alright. Get rid of these. Still don't know if I need this. I'll try deleting it once I get this working. Alright, so that should compile now, right? Whoops. What the hell? Life sucks. Try effect, request. Oh, wait. Well, that'll help. Oh yeah, that would be interesting. I kind of have something similar. I have a channel point reward where once per hour chat can force me to spin a wheel to determine which item I get spoiled. That way it helps seeds prevent, or it helps prevent seeds from getting too long. But yeah, it would be nice to have an actual like integrated thing like that. I made this theme. I just changed the colors around. Yeah. I'm like so lost with it only being half size right now. I never use it this way. Um, all right. Yeah, I did like all of this. Yeah, it's a mess. Yeah, I can send it to you if you want. I'll do that after stream, or I guess I can just send it right now since I have it open. I used to have a custom background similar to what Lunar has, but I don't know if Lunar has the same problem, but with me, the extension isn't like really supported, so it just kind of breaks VS Code, so I just don't use it. Alright, I sent you the colors. Yeah, and it's like every time you update VS Code, it like resets the theme. Because I think I still have it somewhere in here, but yeah, I don't care about it anymore. All right. So I got that. I forgot. Is it compiling right now? Oh yeah, that mess. Probably forgot like one semicolon or some stupid thing. Oh, yep, I did. All right, should be fine now. There we go. Okay, so now I could do. So what I want to try now is. So I run the effect, then I do a because Mega Man has a delay effect thing, which they just call a function for that. Wait, is that built in? I really wish I had IntelliSense so I knew what was what here. Yeah, it's actually not a custom function. Okay, so you just pass it request, and then the time span. So in this case, I would want it to reset this to 0, so it shows them. And I don't know if this has to return anything. Wait, do I put it there? Yeah, okay. What am I forgetting? Alright, please compile. God damn it. Oh. How the hell did that get there? I hate life. I hate coding something that you have no idea what you're doing. Although that's like 90% of coding. Not convert lambda expression to datetime offset. But that's how this does it. Oh wait. Okay, I can't use delay effect then. Because you can't pass in the event. Maybe I do still want to do the timed effect. I just don't, like, with the timed effect, I don't know how to trigger an effect once the effect's duration has expired. Because I'm just trying to, like, unset this value once it's done running. Yeah, I definitely feel that, AX. Um, I'm still in that point where I'm trying to, like, figure a lot of things out. Like, I've never dealt with crowd control stuff, so all of this is brand new. And, like, you know, modifying memory addresses and stuff, that's not even the right file. Yeah, like, modifying stuff like this, that's brand new as well. At least that's easy. I know how to get the addresses. But I still need to figure out how to even do function calls. Because Lunar said it was theoretically possible. I can't find any examples of how to do it. So I don't even know where to begin. Which is why changing the outfit still crashes. But I like that being in. It's a fun little Easter egg. So how the hell do I unset this? Like, I probably still want to start timed. Yeah, like, I don't see any way to call something else once it expires. Yeah, that's true. I don't really know the syntax for that, though. I've never really used it. I've used it in Python, so it should be similar. Well, I put out the question in the Wind Waker Rando server for anyone who has knowledge on the Wind Waker crowd control, on how they do it. Because they do handle function calls in there, but I can't find the source for it, so I'm kind of hoping someone who coded it would answer me on that. Because I would imagine there's probably just like a function to do so. Because I assume other crowd control things call the game's functions too. I just can't find any examples. Because, like, I want a instant transform event, which I don't even think I have in here. But, oh, I do. It's right there. But, like, I know I can change the value of the transform, but I don't want it to have to wait till the next load. I want it to be instant, like Rando did. And Lunar gave me the function to call, I just don't know how to. Yeah, this crowd control is not well documented, unfortunately. Yeah, that would be great. Like, I'm trying to do this entirely on my own right now, because I know, you know, you and Lunar are, like, very busy with Rando. So I'm trying to, like, you know, ask minimal questions. Um, but yeah, definitely, like, I'm perfectly fine with it going on a CSRTP once it's done. Or once we're ready to actually work on it. Oh yeah, true, I could just ask in the dev Discord. Yeah. Yeah, there's a few people for sure. Yeah, I'm just kind of hoping to get, like, you know, a rough version of this made quickly, because My hope is that it could be like a crowd control thing could be done for the ZSR marathon, which would be great. I don't know if there's like an approval process with crowd control to like get it like, integrated with their extension or not, but yeah, like that's kind of the hope. Although it seems like we are planning on doing a TPR race. So if we're doing that, it wouldn't really make sense to do crowd control on top of that. I mean, not if we're having like 5+ people doing it. That's just gonna be too chaotic, in my opinion. And I don't know what CSR. I don't know if CSR has restrictions on like how insane crowd control can be. Maybe it's something I can just bring up. Dude, how do I unset this? Like, I want it to run for 30 seconds. I mean, do I really have to add in a sync? I thought there would just be like a simple function for it. Like, what's the point of start timed otherwise? Actually, let me try something. So if I bring this back, can I just output this again? Nice keyboard. I'm wondering if it'll output this once this code is done. I don't know if that runs asynchronously or not. I would assume it would since it does wait, but I don't know. I don't know code enough. Hey, it compiles. All the targeting. I wish the targeting would go away. Okay, no, it didn't. It didn't output the thing I was hoping it would. Did it output it at the start? Interesting. Oops, wrong one. I guess I'll just kill myself as a test to see if it works at all. Because I don't know why this wouldn't be working. What did I do? Oh, wait. I'm dumb. Well, I'll put this above the return that I completely forgot was there. 135. Oh. Coding's hard. Okay, yeah, it doesn't wait. That's not asynchronous. Well, that's gonna complicate things. I guess I do have to do an async. I just don't understand what the point of start timed effect is. Yeah, this is just proof of concept. Like, I have no idea what I'm doing with any of it. I'm just basically copying what Mega Man did. Uh, Hence the exact same setup here. Because yeah, this code is by no means good, like, at all. I'm just experimenting. I mean, it's cool that I can even make it work at all. Honestly, I wasn't expecting to be able to. Yeah, definitely. Okay. Um, I swear there should be a function. It doesn't make sense that there wouldn't be. I mean, can you not delay an effect? Actually, wait, what if I add in delay effect quest? And then do another try effect. Actually, no, I shouldn't even need to write the effect. I'm just gonna try this last resort. Hey, first time compile. Nope, still doesn't work. Alright, I tried. The music player bar, that's a program called Music Bee. Here, I'll show it. Yeah, this is the program I use, and it's just a feature of it. You can change, it's the mini player, or you can use compact player too, but who even uses that? Oh yeah, now I have to fix the layout. Okay, there we go. The way it works is it's actually docked. It's effectively a taskbar, which is why I don't think it'll work on Linux, which is part of the reason why I don't want to switch to Linux, because I don't know how taskbars work on there. But um, because yeah, you can lock it to a certain to like the top of the screen, which is where I have it. And let me unlock it just so. Yeah, here we go. So that's the mini player, but if you lock it. Yeah, so this is how it looks on my end. You can custom define as many as you like. Nice. All right. Yeah, like I've used Music Bee for several years. Like there's nothing better for me. Like I can't switch away from it kind of thing. It's just exactly what I want. Um and like I've looked into the Linux support for it and it does work on Linux, but it's like you really have to go out of your way to make it work, and I don't want to deal with that. So I'm stuck with Windows for a bit. I'm gonna put it back on my other screen. God damn it. It doesn't want to switch sometimes. Oh, I know why. Also, why did I stop it? Alright, thanks for stopping by, X. And happy coding for you as well, if that's what you're doing. Enjoy the rest of your day. No, yeah, that's true. Well, have a good night then. Alright, so I guess I do have to look into the C# async stuff. I just really felt like I didn't need to do that here. Do I have to import anything for this? Otherwise, that seems like way too simple. There's no way it's gonna let me do that. That's definitely... Why did Windows mess everything up? Windows is great. Uh, yeah, I do have to import something, which it doesn't tell me. Thanks, Stack. System threading tasks. Alright, are we good now? What? Why did I die? Okay, that does not delay it. Why does it not delay it? Alright, let's try that approach. Oh my god, I hate C#. I'm in a love-hate relationship with this thing. There, are you happy now? There we go. Okay, so that did wait for a second. Imagine that. Code actually working. Well, since I don't need to import it up here. Oh, okay, that's why it didn't work originally. That's fine. So, I want it to wait for 15,000 seconds. And then... reset the value. Alright, so 15 seconds should pass, and they should become visible again. Nice, okay. Well, that works. Did it post any message like it should have? I'll try it again. I don't think it did. But theoretically, this should also work on bosses. So you can just make the boss invisible. Yeah, there we go. Actors are visible again. Okay. So that's cool. That's a new effect now. So my only question then... Well, first let me delete that, see if I actually need it, because if I don't, then that's slight improvement. Okay, no, I apparently do need it. Alright. I don't actually know what that does, so... So yeah, it doesn't have to be a timed effect then. But what I'm also wondering is, do I even need to call try effect? Because, like, I basically do an effect here without doing any effect call. And since I don't really care about the code being perfect right now, since it's already far from it, I might as well just make it easier for me to code it. Yeah, let me just try taking these out. So I put them here. Alright, let's try that. Should still work fine. Yep, actors were all hidden. And they're visible again. So yeah, I don't even need the try effect call. I mean, I'm sure there's a reason to use it. I just don't care right now. All I care about is making things work. Oh, actually, I guess the one benefit of using the try effect is it does update the output here. But I don't care enough for that, since I can just output the debug info on screen. Alright, well that's one thing done. Yeah, so I'm just gonna clean this up. Just gonna triple check that everything works. So it should take 30 seconds now. Oh wait, did I do the math wrong? I did. Yeah, so that lasted for 3 seconds. So I don't like that this function takes milliseconds. I mean, I get it for general coding, but like for this project, I need everything to be in seconds anyways, so I might as well multiply it. Actually, I should just store that to a function. Oh, interesting. You can't actually pass in a float. Hey Link, how you doing? Dev is, it was off to a rough start, but now it's working, so that is... So I guess I'll say it's going okay. So I just added the hide actors event, which lasts for 30 seconds. So we will see how this works. So you can kind of see there's a Boko right there, right? No, it's not. I mean, unfortunately, you still get the target. I can't really change that without doing some hacky stuff that I don't know how to do. But this also applies to bosses, so it can be interesting. And now if we just patiently wait... Also, this hides more than just enemies. Like, the Poe up there is gone, and so is the golden bug over there. And yeah, so it just lasts for 30 seconds. Oh no, where'd he go? And I can also add rupees. Wait, is that not going to work anymore? Why is that not working? Maybe because it's already doing... Oh, wait, I think I know why. Shit. I'm gonna have to fix something. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so I can't do the threading the way I want to. I'm definitely not doing this in the way that you're supposed to, but I can just make it multi-threaded. But anyways, here's adding rupees. So yeah, each time I do it, it just adds 10. And I can kill myself if I click the right thing. And I can also cause a crash. Because, so the funny story with changing the clothing. So There's a specific address I modify for that. Or, wait, no. Why am I forgetting where everything is? Yeah, so I'm specifically modifying this address. And you don't want to do that because um, if you change it at runtime, well, I have to actually change it to a valid thing. It doesn't like that. I forgot about that when I wrote the code for it, so it was a nice surprise. Obviously, that will be fixed or removed for release, but I like leaving it in for now. Alright, I appreciate it, Link. Um, so since I know you're one that's curious about code, I'll just give a rough explanation of what things are doing. Um, so these two lines, they basically just tell it to connect to Dolphin, and this line, this also connects, but it also tells Crowd Control what game it's for, and also the name of the extension. Stop hurting me. So these are the memory addresses that are getting modified. And this is the list of effects, and I honestly don't know what this does. But something with the API request, I'm sure. But then this is the bulk of the code. This is where the events actually happen. So, like with what I just did where I'm hiding actors, I'm writing a 16-bit value to memory, which is specifically modifying... I keep forgetting where everything is on here. I'm specifically modifying this address. So if I run that, you'll see it's 0 right now. Sets it to 1. So that's all that's all that's really happening, is I'm just modifying the values. And in this case, I wait for 30 seconds, and when I reset it, so that way it's a timed event. But I do need to fix this, because the way it's working right now is while enemies are invisible, I can't have other effects happen. So like right there, I added 10 rupees, but it didn't happen until the prior effect ended. I do need to fix that. But so far, things are working, at least. I don't know if that address is used in the vanilla game. I think a lot of these are just debug addresses. Because yeah, like, why would you want to hide or freeze all actors unless you're debugging stuff? And I know some of these are actually debug values. But yeah, like, I have a list of stuff I want to implement. So I just did this. I'll mark that as done. Freezing all actors would be very much the same way. So yeah, this is the current list of ideas. Things that are marked as doable are things that I know I can do right now. The ones that are marked otherwise, I probably will need someone else's help who's more knowledgeable on this stuff. But this is just a proof of concept right now. It's not really... Like, this isn't going to be the official code. I certainly hope not. This code is trash. Because I have no idea what I'm doing. So yeah, some interesting effects. But I will be right back. Just gotta use the bathroom. Alright, I am back. So, want to implement multi-threading even though I know it's not required. I just don't know how to get this to work properly without it. Have to look up how to start a new thread. Alright, have a good night, Link, and thanks for stopping by. I should probably commit this. Yeah. Alright, so for multi-threading, I need it to also wait on the correct thread. Okay, so theoretically, that should create a new thread, and so the wait for seconds should only apply to that thread at least as far as I understand it. Let's try that out. Yay, errors. What do you mean? Line 128. Actually, I'm gonna change things a bit. Yeah, I still don't know the point of start timed. What I'm trying to figure out is what does this do? I mean, it reads a value and checks if that value, wait, sets it here. Because I'm trying to figure out how start timed resets itself. Because I'm not seeing how it does that in code. Because I assume they would want to reset this address to whatever the default or previous value was once the timed event is done. So like after 45 seconds, I would think it would reset. I'm trying to figure out how. As it reads the value and then checks if the value is equal to the set value. But again, it's hard to know what that is actually doing Wonder if I can apply that somewhere. So in this case, in the case of Mega Man, it sets magnetic floors. So it checks the magnetic floor value, checks if it's not equal to the value that it gets assigned to. So in this case, does not equal 1. Alright, let's try that. I don't know if it'll work. Oh, let me just get rid of all of that. So the hope is 10 seconds will pass and it will unset. I doubt it will though. No, nothing happened. Cause yeah, like how are you... I don't get it. I really don't, because as far as I can tell, the Mega Man code doesn't tell crowd control to do anything when the effect ends. So how does it unset it? Guess I'll try one more thing. Nope, still nothing. Yeah, I don't get it. As far as I could tell, Mega Man does not reset values, which makes it seem like it doesn't even work. I think I'm just gonna... I think I'm just gonna have to put off timed events. Because I'm sure I'm just missing a very minor thing that Lunar could probably point out in like 2 seconds. And there's still plenty of effects, of non-timed effects, that I can work on. Like, I can do the transform, even if it's not instant right now. I could do a lot of the equip stuff. Can do a decent amount of the world stuff. Well, no, because those are timed. Alright, so what I want to do is activate map glitch or storage. So I need to refine these values. Let me go back here. So there are flags for this stuff. I need to figure out what the values are while you have different properties active. So let me get map glitch. First try. Okay, so map glitch does not seem to change either of those values. But let's get storage. So door cancel goes to 96, then back to 32. Does it stay as 96? Okay. Chest storage goes to negative 28 though. So negative 28, 32. So if I just set this to negative 28, do I have door storage? I do. Neat. So that's all I have to do then. Oh crap, it's a pointer. I didn't know that. That's gonna be more awkward, because I don't know how to reference a pointer. Yeah, both of these values are pointers. Well, I'm gonna try coding it at least. Now, first off, I'm gonna remove or disable hide all actors. Do I want to? I'm just gonna revert to commit. I didn't change anything. Alright, so... Wait, what? There's... Okay, that's stupid. Oh, yeah. Well, so how does that work? I guess I set it to E0. I don't know how assigning hex works. Guess it has to be a string. Or no, I forgot. Okay, so what I want to know... Or no. Wait, what's the value for... What's the hex for... Okay, that's E4. And it crashes. Cool. I love random crashes. Why does that crash? Oh, okay, yeah, because it's not accessing the correct point in memory, since it's a pointer, and I don't know how to reference a pointer. Oh, hey, we got another crash. Another crash effect, and that's two now. Oh, whoops. So I'm gonna try to see if I can read the value. Value 128. Yeah, that's not the correct address. Hey, Worm. Also, I don't have alerts added to the display capture scenes, so apologies for that. But thank you for the 14. Wow, that's crazy to think that I got affiliate that long ago. Like, I still feel like it's not even a full year. By the way, hype song. Good timing. So how was your HK Rando, Worm? Hold on, I'm just asking a question right now. Or wait. Yeah. Yeah, I saw your your charm loadout. You got a lot of good stuff there. Have all dreamers, but since it feels too short, you go for true ending. Nice. Alright. I don't know how much longer I'll keep at this, honestly. It's kind of... I kind of just need to, like, get more knowledge before I try to keep doing this more. Seems like it was a good seed. Like, my problem right now is this pointer address. I need to somehow add the offset to it, but I don't know how to do that. Yeah, actually, Worm, I'd have to check and redo the math, but I think your resub there, I think that does put me at the next payout. So I could probably buy new games next month, which will be good. Although I don't know what I'm buying yet. What am I even looking up? You know that feeling when you Google something and you get results that you have no idea what they're doing? That's where I'm at right now. I don't know anything about this memory stuff. Oh wait, did I find something? Is that all it takes? Well, let's see if it reads the correct value, I guess. Why does it need to be a float? The example I'm looking at has to be an int. I don't know if that's gonna break more than it's worth. Really? Nope. There, stop yelling at me. No! Well, I need the F, because that's part of the address. Oh, wait. There. I forgot 0x, so it probably wasn't reading that right. Still don't know if that's gonna work. Okay, well, it compiles. That's something. Alright, so what value does it read? It should output -32, I think. Value 0, that's not right. Hmm. I still have no idea what I'm doing, by the way. Yeah. Still not able to find the value. Yeah, true, I should. I don't want to bombard Lunar, though. Besides, we need Lunar to stay focused on Rando. That's the priority. Yeah, I'm just not sure how to reference, I'm just not sure how to reference the pointer or the offset. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm beyond help at this point. Like, why does this have to be a pointer? I don't want it to be. I'm gonna try one more thing. And that's manually, yeah. Manually setting the address. Again, I highly doubt this is gonna work. No, still reading value 0. Why is it getting 0? Actually, wait. I don't want it to be unsigned, because it is a negative value that we're dealing with. Where are you trying to assign... Why are you trying to assign unsigned? Is Hex always unsigned? So from what I'm reading, this could actually cause a crash, so... Yeah, I'm in unknown territory. Oh wait, no, that needs to be surrounded by parentheses. 146. This is a mess. I feel like I just need to wait for Lunar to get home. Because I'm just like butchering the code right now, trying to get this to work. Oh wait, what if I set it to hex? Yeah, if I set it to E0. Well, it's not gonna read the hex, but theoretically, if I go back to doing if I go back to doing this, I want to set it to -28, because -28 is what gives me the door storage, as we see here. Yeah, see, I'm able to clip through. So what is -28 as hex? E4. Okay, let's try that. 147. Oh. It's not Python. Alright, what's gonna happen? Probably a crash. Or nothing. Wait, did it? No. Yeah, it's not able to change it. Oh yeah, 68 for swim. We remember swim, right? This fun thing. Wait, where is the water? Water's somewhere. Wait, no, that's right. I have to do it from, like, up here. No. There we go. Now we can swim in the air. Such a fun value to mess with. Because you can also get, like, magnetic ceiling property anywhere, but that's, like, very crash prone. Actually, interesting. Why did the offset change? It's now labeled as E. Oh wait, wrong one. Wrong one, that's why. Yeah, that's F. But Talk is actually saying the offset is 199C instead of F. Which is interesting. I still doubt it's going to make it magically work, but one can hope. No, it still didn't work. How do I get it to work? Oh, and actually I do see another problem with trying to change this value in particular. It changes a lot as you play. Like right now it's at -16, now it's -32. -28 is what gives you storage. But I wouldn't be able to easily account for changes. I basically have to have some way to lock the value for the duration of the effects, which I don't know how to do yet, so... Also, does map glitch give anything unique? I don't think it does. Nice map glitch. No, they remain the same. I have like 5 things on my screens right now, like... This is... I mean, people have asked why do I have 3 monitors? This is why. I mean, to be fair, I could, like, put some of the stuff that's on screen right now. I could put some of it on my other monitor and then turn on Scene Switcher. Because that's what I do if I'm doing, like, modding or game dev. Because I have Unity on one screen and then the code on another. But for this, I just didn't feel like doing that. And plus, I have browser on my other monitor anyways. To Google things. Yeah, I wish I could find a map glitch value. I'm sure there is some address that can keep track of that, but I don't know what that address would be. Unless it's in here, but I don't think it is. Is there anything else I wanted to experiment with? Oh, fun fact, I should be able to load any stage at any time. Let me double check some things, but I think it's doable. Because the way this works, so there's a trigger loading event here, which is not a pointer, so I can easily reference it. If you just set this to 1, it reloads the current stage. But if you change the... where am I going? Wait, what? Where? I'm lost. What did I mess up? Oh, I accidentally typed name, or click name. Yeah, so if I change this value to be a different scene, I want to try it, actually, just to see if it'll work. List of stages. Because I have a perfect one in mind. No, shut up. I can't believe I've actually forgotten the stage name now. It's been so long. But I'm not going to spoil it right now. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, so... Okay, so yeah, what I want to do... Stage name. Oh wait, how do I write a string? I don't know the function for that. Because the example I'm using doesn't actually write any strings. I don't know if there is a function for it. See, this is what I mean. Like, I don't know enough to really be effective in doing anything here. Well, basically, the idea was I would load Agatha's castle. You'd have an effect that does that. And it would be doable if I could just figure out how to write a string value. I guess I'll try this. Probably not going to compile, though. Whoops. Yeah, no right string. I also forgot to return. Because, yeah, there's no documentation on any of these functions, so I don't know if they exist or not. Oh no, Zephiles is giving me advice that I don't understand any of. He's just like giving me C++ code snippets. I feel like a lot of people think I know more than I do. I don't know if I like send off that impression or something. I don't know. No, unfortunately, I don't have access to any of this stuff. Like, there's no references or anything. Because the crowd control SDK handles it all. So I don't have like the code for any of the crowd control stuff. It's to be decided, alright? Yeah, like I don't know. Really thought I could do this, but yeah, I don't know how to write a string. No, because there's like no reference to it. Like here, I'll show the file. Um, wait, what? Why does it? Oh wait, no, I only opened the folder. I can't view it. I'll just open it manually. Like, this is all there is here. Like, this is the only code file in this project, so there's no references or anything. So, that's why. Like, that's also why I can't tell if there's errors before I go to try to compile. I don't really know if there is anything else I can do right now, unfortunately. At least nothing that's real interesting. I mean, I could just do the transform thing. I might as well. Let me scrap what I've done just now. Okay, so this one I know I can do. What type is that? It's a byte, okay. I don't think that's going to compile. Probably have a type conflict. Yeah, oh yeah, that's right. It needs to be a byte. I always forget a return here, for some reason. Okay, so we now have a transform of effect. However, since I'm only changing the form value instead of calling the transform function, it's only going to take effect on load. So if I do this, we can see my form is set to 1. So I will be Wolf going through this loading zone. Yep. And if I do it again, it should set form to 0. Yeah, form is 0, so I'll be back to human. Yeah. But in order to do the instant transform, which is the ideal, in order to do that, I'll have to learn how to hook to the game's functions, which I still don't have an answer for. Well, at least I got 2 effects done today, which is nowhere near as many as I was hoping for. So let's hide actors. Where's the bug? Got the bug. Can I go through things with it? No. It's still solid. Interesting, I can't break it. Let me use it. There we go. No. Why is it still here? And I can't burn them now. Alright, how long have I been streaming? Not even 3 hours. Should I just end it here? I feel like I should. Let's see, is Matt still streaming? Wait, what is he doing at the stag? You can't be taking a break from grinding. Gotta be killing birds. Oh, is he going to Mask Maker? I'm not gonna raid him until he goes back to doing birds. We need the premium content. Oh, he's going to try the hive strat. That's what it looks like. Alright, hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna raid Matt. Yeah, so I'm just not really gonna make progress today on this. I just have too much I still need to learn. Alright, so yeah, I'll raid Matt. Sorry for the short stream, but it was intentionally short. Just I expected to maybe go for another hour, but I'm just not really going to be doing anything for the rest of the next hours, so. And I'm hungrier than I was expecting to be at this point. But the plan is I will most likely stream on Friday. And of course on Saturday. And I'm also planning on... There's a possibility that I may start Majora's Mask on N64 with HD texture pack. I may start that over the weekend. Don't hold your breath though. But I really do want to play that, and Matt kind of talked me into it. But anyways, let's go bully Matt now. Send him your Hornet loves if you have them. But yeah, thanks for watching this very short stream, and honestly, unproductive stream. But I will see you next time.